Welcome to a brief introduction to online support by SEW-EURODRIVE. This brief video will cover the basics of the online support tools. Online support's divided into 4 different process steps as shown in the video. Many different online services are available within each one of these processes. You can use numerous functions even without logging in to online support. These are highlighted. If you are looking for CAD data, documentation, product data, or software, these are found under Data and Documents. The information buttons offer help and explanations for all the functions. In addition, there are tutorial videos for many functions in online support. As a registered user, you have access to even more functions. To access these, you need to log in after registering. Once you've logged in, you have access to these functions. Under individual settings, you have options such as making personalized settings. You can define CAD formats and documentation types, or you can request additional functions and rights. When you see the gear wheel icon, this allows you to adjust views and tables throughout the entire online support. You can match these up to your individual requirements. Once you've made these selections, make sure you save and close. Take the time to try out the new functions for yourself, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help you with our online support hotline. That information is found at the bottom of the page. Thank you for your attention.